Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Danya Priya. So, the topic I choose for scientific research paper is Indian Foreign Policy post 2014. So, first I want to explain what is foreign policy. Foreign policy means collection of principles, strategies or acts followed by a nation to deal with or to maintain relations with neighboring countries or other foreign countries and with international organizations or groupings. So, India looked at three phases of foreign policies. That is from first phase is from 1947 to 1962, second one is from 1962 to 1991, third is from 1991 to present. And so the foreign policy post 2014, see actually these foreign policies are these phases are divided based on the changes happened in the foreign policies. Before, even there were changes before. Like in first phase of foreign policy, it was the early time of independence. So we people got to know the importance of our sovereignty. So we people in that foreign policy mainly focused on India's sovereignty and maintaining relations with foreign nations. And in second phase, many wars broke out within India, like with India, like Indo-Pak War 1971, liberalization of Bangladesh 1971, Indo-China War 1962. So during this phase, we focused more on defense strategies. And from 1991, we focused on our economical reforms. But post 2014, there was not only issues in one sector, there were issues in each and every sector. Like we faced issues, security threats, border issues, economical crisis, geopolitical crisis, like climate, and even also global issues like climate change, etc. So I presume that post 2014, like every policy from 1991 to present are almost same, but there were only few changes in the foreign policy post 2014. I presume that there are only three policies India focused more post 2014. That is, first one is bringing stability to India and India's growth. That is achieved by India's first policy. Through this India first policy, we aimed at India's growth. Next one is, as we know, we face challenges with our neighboring countries and other nations like China and Pakistan. So, to deal with them and to ensure our safety with other neighboring countries, we followed principle called as neighborhood first policy. Next, and the last thing, the third main thing is that this was never there in our foreign policy before 2014. That is, making India as a leading power at global level. So, to achieve this, we have followed many principles. For this, firstly, we actively participated in international organizations and regional groupings. Like we hosted G20, and also we actively participated in regional groupings like ASEAN, BIMSTEC, etc. And also we represented the Southeast nations, which doesn't have recognition in international organizations. By this, we assured that India is a strong nation which can deal with any issue, which can stand strong when there are problems. Next one is the Act East policy. Through this Act East policy, Act East policy was before called as Look East policy. So through this Act East policy, we got and we became a leading power in Asia. So I want to conclude that even though we still face challenges with even though we have these many good foreign policies, we still face challenges. But I think that India stood still. Only there are few issues, but it faced out many big issues. So India proved that like before 2014, India was not effective in clearing the issues, but post 2014, India was very strong in resolving issues by these foreign policies. So I think India has the potential to do anything if it ought to. Thank you.